Hi, I'm John with Lutron Electronics. Thank you for purchasing the Lutron Maestro Dual product. In this video, we are going to show you how to install your new dimmer switch or dimmer timer combination. Before installing your new Maestro product, you'll need to turn the power off at the circuit breaker. Double check the power is off by turning the switch on and off at the wall location. For most installations, you'll only need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some electrical tape. First, pull your existing switch away from the wall. Before disconnecting the switch, take a piece of your electrical tape and tag the wire connected to the dark or different color screw. This is your hot or common wire. Next, take two pieces of tape and tag the wire connected to the load you want on the switch or timer portion of the control. Once you have these wires tagged, remove the switch from the wall. We're now ready to connect your new control. Don't forget, if you're installing this next to other dimmers, break the fins off the side of the product. Begin installing the Maestro product by attaching the green ground wire to the bare copper wire in your wall box. Next, connect your single tagged wire to the black screw terminal on the side of the control. You will then want to connect the double tagged wire to the yellow wire. Connect your remaining wire to the red wire on the control. This is the wire for the dimmed load. With all your wires connected, finish the installation by screwing the control back into the wall and adding a Lutron screwless faceplate. Once the Maestro control is installed, you can return power back at the circuit breaker. And that's it. For more frequently asked questions, visit lutron.com/support.